Hi, everyone. Happy Sunday. We are ready to start week 3. I know we have some overlap from week 2 because of the system being down a couple of days this week. So here's the plan. I want you guys to get your discussion questions done as quickly as possible. Let's get those out of the way. 2 discussion questions. I think there was a little confusion about that. I posted 2 discussion questions. So the way this works is you respond to each of my discussion questions, and then as your peers respond, you pick 2 of them to respond to. So you don't have to give 2 responses to everybody. So it's me and 2 other people. So that's the way it works. So you have a total of 3 for each discussion question. For week 3, we're going to be talking about chapters 5 and 6. It's more theoretical than we've had in the previous chapters. So chapters 5 and 6 we're going to be covering. We're talking about ethical decision making and behavior and general ethical perspectives. So we're talking about Kant's categorical imperative, and we're talking about justice as fairness, and we're talking about the some of the other utilitarianism, some of the other fundamental concepts in ethics, pragmatism, and altruism. Hope you all are altruistic. And we're going to talk about ethical decision making. How do we make a decision? How do we determine if our decision is ethical? How do we go through that process and use a systematically make a decision, making sure that we are looking at it in the right context and that we come to the right conclusion. So that's what we have. Your assignment this week for week 3, due next Sunday. Not today, next Sunday. You need to pick one of the case studies in chapters 1 through 6. Like case study 6.1 is talking about closing counselors. It's got a couple of different scenarios in it. There's questions at the end of each of the case study. That's what you're responding to. So that's chapter 6, chapter 5. Let's see what that one looks like. Chapter 5 is, excuse me while I flip. Chapter 5's case study is about, it's called a moral hack. And it has a couple of questions at the end. So you're looking at the discussion probe. That's what you're going to answer. So a couple of pages at the most, or you can even take one of the self-assessments. I'm going to give you some latitude here. You could take 1 or 2 of the self-assessments in chapters 1 through 6 and write a paper about what you learned about yourself. So you got a little bit of latitude because I want you to learn more than anything than fitting in a box of what my assignment parameters are. This is for us to learn and share together. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, discussion questions are due Wednesday, Friday. Let's get it caught up on week 2, get week 3 rolling, and week 4 will be next week. You have a midterm. I'm working on getting ProctorU set up. I'm having a little bit of problems with that right now. So I've got to talk to Miss Lynn about that and see about getting ProctorU set up. As soon as I get ProctorU set up, I'll send out a message and let you know. You guys are doing excellently. Great job responding. Make sure you stay engaged. Think about the virtual classroom, the discussion. This is just like you sitting in a room with me and us having a conversation. So this is active learning. I want you involved. I want you engaged. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. And I will be talking with you. You guys have a wonderful Sunday. God bless you. I went to church today. It was a wonderful service. I hope you did too. You guys playing sports. I hope it's not too cold and you're having fun. And we will be talking. Take care. Bye-bye.